CHS, I'm Annie.
And I'm Annabelle, and this is Columbia Cougar News.
Valentine's Day is on Wednesday, so we wanted to kick off this week's episode with another edition of Baking with the Anniebells No Zoe, where we made some Valentine cupcakes.
The Anniebells!
So we decided she was too busy to join us to bake, so now it's just the Anniebells.
Now for the taste test.
Will you be my Valentine? Yes, here's a cupcake.
A cupcake. Eat a cupcake.
Will you be my Valentine?
Yes, of course.
Okay, here's a cupcake. Will you be my Valentine?
Yes.
Are you brave enough to propose to your Valentine?
Yes. Let's go.
Oh my god, guys, I'm nervous. Please be my Valentine.
Sure.
Yes!
Are you brave enough to ask your crush to be your Valentine?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's go. This is getting serious.
Luca, will you be my Valentine?
Will you be my Valentine?
Of course.
Are you brave enough to ask your crush to be your Valentine? No. Oh. Who has a Valentine and wants a cupcake?
Does anyone have a crush on someone else?
Be my Valentine.
OMG. Oh my god! It's love!
No,
Do you want to have a Valentine?
You can have a crush.
I do have a Valentine.
Okay. Who?
Isabel. Hi, Isabel. Watch CCN. Oh, and be my Valentine.
Connor, are you brave enough to ask your crush to be your Valentine?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, let's go find her.
Excuse me? Will you be my Valentine?
Peace! You want to be my Valentine?
Will you be my Valentine with this cupcake made by the Anniebells and Annie?
I would love to be your Valentine.
February is National Heart Month, and the freshman class is doing a fundraiser for the American Heart Association. On Wednesday, show your support by wearing red on Valentine's Day. Anyone who donates $1 will receive a red heart showing their support to be hung in the main hallway with your name on it. Please see the nurse or Miss Sampson to make your donation and get your heart.
This week's Mental Health Monday quote is brought to you by the social work interns. This one's from Oprah Winfrey. Turn your wounds into wisdom. The social work interns can be found at the back of the library. Feel free to stop by if you're having a difficult time or just want to chat.
Spring sports physicals are due today. For more information, see the link posted on Canvas.
The Columbia High School Counseling Department is excited to announce the return of our in-person college fair on Wednesday, April 17th, from 7 to 9 in the main gym. This year, CHS has partnered with StriveScan, a scanning and registration app to bring electronic student scanning to our college fair.
Using the mobile app, colleges will be able to easily scan your personalized barcode to send you more information about their programs. Please be sure to register for a barcode before the fair at strivefair.com. If you need assistance with registering, please see your counselor. Our colleagues at Viewing Film have entered the annual New Jersey You Got Brains Safe Driving Competition and need your help. Pledge to share the road using the QR code on the screen and enter to win a $50 gift card. Music Studio Club and Music Industry Club are holding auditions for the second annual Beat Fest. The student-organized concert festival will be held at the Woodland on April 12th and is open to student bands and solo musicians. Auditions will be held on February 15th and 29th. For more information, you can scan the QR code you see on the screen or check Canvas for the link to the audition form. Finally, to close out our Valentine's episode, last year we brought to you Alex Attempts Speed Dating. But this year, we're bringing you a new type of love connection. Here is CCN Blind Match.
Welcome to CCN Blind Match! Today, we are going to be finding the perfect match for this freshman. Hello, my name is Jason Weber, and my ideal girlfriend's probably either blonde or brunette, I don't care, and has to play sports, and that's it. They just gotta play sports, they gotta be athletic. No, I don't know what else to say.
Okay, you're good.
What are your guys' types?
Girl number 1's type is
tall, good-looking, athletic, and nice.
Girl number 2's type is tall and very athletic.
Girl number 3's type is tall, athletic, and preferably plays baseball or lacrosse.
Girl number 4's is boys who wear Nike Tech. That's the type.
What is your ideal first date?
Girl number 1 says Sky Zone.
Girl number 2 says a sports game.
Girl number 3 says a drawing class or pottery painting.
Girl number 4 says let's go to a Knicks game and then get dinner in the city.
Girl number 4 is
Not the pottery one. Oh, okay.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Girl number 1 would describe herself as friendly, funny, and athletic.
Girl number 2 would describe herself as brunette, funny, and athletic.
Girl number 3 would describe herself also as athletic and a brunette and fun.
And kind.
Wait, that's 4.
Girl number 4 would describe herself as blue eyes, long blonde hair, and adventurous.
Who's your favorite so far?
What are the best color eyes to gaze into?
Okay, girl number 1 says blue.
Girl number 2 says a honey brown.
Girl number 3 says a light brown or a hazel.
Girl number 4 says dark brown eyes.
What do you bring to the table in a relationship?
Girl number 1 says conversation and adventure.
Girl number 2 says laughter and food.
Girl number 3 said DoorDash and athletic babies.
Girl number 4 says loyalty and a fun time.
Girl number 3, you're out.
Oh!
And reveal yourself.
Reveal. Good job. Alright, so you have girl number 1, girl number 2, and girl number 4.
What would you do after a fight?
Talk it through and maybe get a little violent.
Girl number 2 says gaslight.
Girl number 4 says talk it out.
Who's your favorite so far? Okay.
Just go with your gut. There are only good options. Alright.
Okay.
Girl number 2. You're
What do you do in your free time, or what is your favorite hobby?
Girl number 1 says hang out with her friends, cooking, or playing sports.
Girl number 4 says playing volleyball. That's it.
That's it.
If you're looking for love right now, how long do you expect
If you're looking for love, are you willing to settle right now?
Can you rephrase that?
Yeah, you should act like that in the shittiest way possible.
Exactly what you told me. If you're looking for love right now, are you looking for a long-term relationship or just like something?
Girl number 1 says she's just looking to have fun, but if it turns into something committed, that's great.
Girl number 4 says they're also just looking to have fun and to see where it goes, but they'll do anything for you.
The winner of the CCN Blind Date is girl number 1! Yeah! Okay, girl number 4!
Those are all your announcements for today's CHS. I'm Annie.
And I'm Annabelle. Remember, teachers, club advisors, and team captains, if you have an announcement that you want to have read over our show or over the PA, please make sure to email it to Mr. Camp.
Have a great day, everyone, and be sure to tune in next Monday for another episode of CCN.
And be sure to check out CCN YouTube channel for more great content at Columbia Cougar News. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone!
Get it in, just throws it over the head of Baptiste, but she gets it, dropping so in the process. Levy to shoot now, and she completes it for Columbia.